Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to start numbered list in Google list at 2 in Google Docs. Let's get started. You can see at first you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now with some number and text. Now I start numbered list at 2. Select this first number. Now right click on this number and click restart numbering. Now select this one and press 2. Then click OK. Now you can see I start numbered list in at 2 in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.